Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope you are pretty much well. I am also pretty good by the grace of Almighty. So I am here today, grade 3 students, subject science and English version. Okay. So please take your textbook and also copy and pen in front of my class, Bashgari 1 Government Primary School Facebook page. Okay. So welcome to my science class. Welcome to my science class. Thank you everybody. This is my identification. I am Raihana Haq, head teacher of Bashgari 1 Government Primary School. So before going to start our class, I want to show some things. Could you see please? What is this? What is this? Yes, you are right. This is soil. You know it because you see around your home or house. It is soil. Today we are going to take our class about soil, types of soil, because this is our second class. So let's see outside the class, outside the room. Here is some students, they find out what type of soil in around us. You also look outside the window, okay, and try to find out what kind of soil in your area, in your home area, okay. I think you have found. You have found. So today our lesson is types of soil. This is a different types of soil. Here is some soil. So at first I want to show you. This is sandy, this is clay, and this is another soil. Okay, you can see 3 types of soil. I show you 3 types of soil. Okay. Today's our lesson is types of soil. Let's see some soil. This is the soil, this is also one soil, this is also another soil. Could you tell me what are these? Because I show you these soil also. This is another soil. Could you tell me what type of this soil? Yes, soil. How many types? 3 types. What are these? Its name is sandy. Please look at the screen. Its name is sandy. It's loamy. It's clay. So tell with me, sandy, loamy, clay. Sandy, loamy, clay. There are 3 types of soil. How many types of soil? 3 types of soil. 1, 2, 3. Sandy, loamy, clay. Sandy soil, loamy soil and clay. Sandy soil, loamy soil and clay. Plants, animals live on land. Where land? In the soil. Land is cover up soil. Plants, you can see plants, animals, and this is also animals. She is a woman. This is the elephant. Lives on the land. Land surface is cover up soil. The loose material covering much of the earth's surface is called soil. The loose material covering much of the earth's surface is called soil. What is soil? The loose material covering mass of the earth's surface is called soil. Good, very good. This is the 3 layers of soil. If you put some water in the soil surface, you can see the layer: clay layer, silt layer, sand layer. Clay, silt layer and sand layer. Soil classified by its color, size of particles and substance. Soil classified by its color, size of particles and substance. What are the characteristics of soil? Soil classified by its color, size of particles and substance. Okay. By experiment, find out the component of soil. This is clay soil. This is clay soil. Clay soil. Its reddish color when wet then sticky, but when dry then smooth. Its color is reddish. Its color is reddish when wet then sticky, but when dry then it smooth. When you dry in the sun, then it is smooth. Clay has smallest particles. Clay has smallest particles. Very small, very little particles. Now, you can see sandy soil. What is the characteristics of this soil? Its color is pale brown or light grey. Its color is pale brown or light grey. Its color is, sandy soil's color is pale brown and light grey. Its particle is larger than clay soil. It is dry and gritty. Its particle is larger than grey soil and it is dry and sticky. Again, its color is pale brown or light grey. Its particle is larger than clay soil. It is dry and gritty. This is sandy soil. This is sandy soil. Loamy soil, which is growing for something very useful. Loamy soil. What is the characteristics? Its color is dark. It has various size of particles. It has various size of particles. Clay, sand, humus in mixture. So plants grow this loamy soil very well. Clay, sand, humus is in mixture with the loamy soil. This is loamy soil. This is loamy soil. Clay, sand, humus in mixture. So plants grow very well in this loamy soil. It is very useful for plants or agriculture. Make a table like this. Make a table in your copy like this. Please hurry up. Property: clay, sandy, loamy. Its color. What is the color of clay? Reddish. You write down here reddish. What is the color of sandy? You write down here brown or grey. What is the color of loamy? Its color is dark. So write down reddish, brown and dark. How its feel? Its is coarse, soft and dry. Coarse. And its size is, particles is larger than clay soil. And its is smooth. Size of particles. Its smallest particles larger than clay, and its is size of various particles. Various. Any other properties. Plants grow very well in the loamy soil, and some agriculture like peanut and any other peanuts and nuts are growing fast in the sandy soil. Clay is useful for making something like tub and another pottery things for useful for clay soil. So in this part, now open your book at page number 31 and 32. Please try to match my description. Okay. In the meanwhile, we have described about the type of soil. Now try to match. I am discussing with you. I have discussed with you about the soil. Please try to compare. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Okay, I think you have completed also. Okay, my dear students, in the meanwhile, we know about the types of soil. What is the soil and how many types of soil? Today's our lesson was types of soil. How many types? 3 types of soil. One is clay, loamy and sandy soil. 3 types of soil: clay, loamy and sandy soil. Loamy is very important for our agriculture. It is very useful. Plants grow very fast because it has a mixture particles. Okay. So I think you have cleared the text today, and next class we also discuss another things. Today we also have discussed about the types of soil. So I have a homework for you. By observing your by observing your near area, I mean your home area, what types of soil you can see. We will write 3 sentences. How many types you can see in your local area? Try to find out and then write down how many sentences? 3 sentences. Okay. Dear students, till then bye. See you next class. Keep practicing. Bye bye.